Hi, I'm Wendy from Best Corporate Events, and thank you for your interest in our Strategic Leadership Program. This program can be used as a standalone program or as a continuation of our Developing Emerging Leaders program. We all know that developing strategic thinking skills is important, but many people don't realize just how critical it is to their career advancement. Strategic thinking is not a one-time activity. These are skills that have to be cultivated. Early on in our career, we are praised and promoted for our ability to master tasks quickly and execute on them. We do what we're told to do. But if we continue just that, then our careers may stall or we may feel stuck. In this 3-session program, we cover topics such as time management and goal setting, thinking strategically, and building strong relationships. For example, in the time management and goal setting session, we suggest shifting your thinking from time management to managing our focus and our intention. This really helps participants understand that not all work is created equal. We need to be intentional, thoughtful, and conscious of what we are working on and when. We'll do a deep dive into the time-tested tools and concepts such as do, delegate, and defer, the ABCs of organizing and prioritizing, understanding the 80-20 rule, protecting your Einstein window, and ensuring that your goals meet the SMART test. So reach out to us today so we can help you cultivate your strategic leadership skills.